Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video without blur. Okay, let's get into it guys. To remove watermark from our video, I recommend you to use InShot application. You can get this InShot application from Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. And after you have installed this InShot application on your mobile phone, you can open it. Then you can create new project. Just click on video and then you can select new, and you can choose the video you want to remove the watermark from. And for example, I'm just going to select this video. I'm going to remove this watermark from my video, but wait, I'm going to remove the InShot watermark. Okay, and we have to duplicate our video. If you want to remove the watermark, you can click on your video and go to the duplicate option right here, and we're going to make it as an overlay. Click on switch to make it as an overlay. Then you can make the second video align with your first video. Then go to the mask option. You can tap on your second video and then you can select the mask option. We're going to use mask to remove the watermark. I'm gonna go with the circle mask, and we can adjust the size of the mask like this. And you can take another part of your video to cover the watermark like this guys, and then you can click on the check mark and then you can drag the mask to cover the watermark on your video, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. You can go to the adjustment or filter. You can do adjustment to make it more natural. I'm just going to go to the folder and select adjust, and I'm going to adjust the lightness. I'm going to increase it. Okay, perfect. Click on the check mark, click on the check mark again, and then this is the final result. As you can see that the watermark has been removed from my video. But if your watermark is moving, I recommend you to use keyframe feature. So this is the keyframe feature we can use to make the mask and follow the moving watermark in case if your watermark is moving. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video without a blur using the InShot video editor application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.